Job updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, interview experience I share. If you have come first time in our channel, you have to subscribe to get this type of videos. Latest videos when we will publish, you will get the notification. So hit the subscribe button and beside that the bell icon button. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about top 5 interview preparation website for different companies you are preparing for the interview rounds like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, as well as Mindtree. Every company's standard will be discussed in these websites. So if you follow these few websites, then you will definitely crack your interview round. So let's get started. So first, I will discuss about Gigs for Geeks. So everyone have knowledge about Gigs for Geeks. So here you will get every uh, subject related questions like C++, Java, these programming knowledges questions also, as well as programming knowledges tips also, and you will get a scratch idea about the concepts of these languages also like C++, Java, Python. You can get your idea about machine learning, web development. You can solve puzzles also. Interview preparation you can check there. And in the interview preparation section, there are lots of categories. From there, you will be able to select in which category you want to practice. So it's completely free. So you just need to do your registration, and then you have to follow their website. Okay, so basically you will get lifetime access to the course, internship opportunities, gigs for gigs, and you can build your resume there. So it's a very important and helping website to gain your knowledge at engineering level. We always follow these website to knowledge gain and also to solve our queries. Like here you will get all basic clearance concept also, like what is loop, constructor, destructor in C++. Similar like topic wise practice you will be able to do. So those candidates who are in the final year or in the pre-final year batch, like in the third year or fourth year, those are just in inquiries or in confusion, like from where to we need to prepare. So for that reason, I'm preparing this video to help you guys. So you will get in this website about detailed description of every chapter. So if you not follow any engineering books also, then also you can crack your interview as well as your board exam, I mean to say your semester exam also you can crack. So we have also done this in our engineering years. So I'm 2019 pass out, so not before so many years. So from that point of view, I'm sharing my experience that you will definitely get common questions from these websites. So let's talk about the second website, which is Stack Overflow. It's also a beautiful website. So lots of ideas you will get from here. So now let's talk about the other websites also. Okay, so first one is the I have described about Geeks for Geeks. So in the Stack Overflow also you can bring your community and create your teams there to discuss your problems. It's a very good platform. If you faced any challenge in anywhere in your coding skills, any other tools related expertise you require, you can follow this website, and many of the questions answers correct answer you will get from here. So next, another important website, which is Prep Insta. So you will definitely crack your interview if you prepare from this website, because it is very much trusted website. You will get lots of companies experience there, lots of companies uh, format of examination there, interview tips there. So it's a very trusted website. You can check this out. Next website is InterviewBit. It's another important website for the engineering graduates. So you can practice your problems here. You can do your interview preparation here. You can give mock interview here. So lots of things you will get. So then, if you want to learn any technology, then Java T Point is another one trusted website. You can see Python, Java, JavaScript, every language is available here. And also you can practice aptitude, reasoning, also DBMS concept, C related questions. All things you will get here. So you can see variety of tools and technologies available in this website. So it's a very trusted website. If you want to prepare for any technology for before sitting any interview in technology field, you can go for it. You can get course subjects idea or idea from here also, like DBMS, compiler design. As I am mentioning that in your semester exam also, these websites are very much helpful. This will definitely give you a better concept than your bookish knowledge. Okay. Next important website for preparing your aptitude round is IndiaBix. If you prepare from here, or if you give the exam from here like mock test or section wise examination, then you will definitely will be in practice, in touch of the practice, so that you will get any question in that pattern, you can solve that. So that's the things. I think this is very much informative to you. If you really like the content, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Share this news with your friends. Take care. We will meet in next video with new job updates.